Trubor nakaslem jong Nongsaiñ Hima.
Flagship programs of the Government of India. Pradhan, Mantri, Fasal, Bima, Yojana. What is the key objective of the scheme? The Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana (Pmfby) is a flagship insurance scheme launched on the 18th of February 2016 by Prime Minister Narendra Modi and was implemented in the state of Meghalaya since its inception with the objective to provide insurance coverage and financial support to the farmers in the event of failure of any of the notified crops. What is the type of assistance? Crop insurance coverage. Who can apply for the scheme? The scheme is available to all farmers growing the notified crops in the notified areas, including sharecropper and tenant farmers. How to avail benefits of the scheme? Farmers can avail benefits of the scheme by visiting the nearest community service centers, banks, concerned agriculture or horticulture officers in the block or district. Whom to contact? The District Agriculture Officer of the concerned district, Subdivisional Agriculture Officer of the concerned subdivision, District Training Officer Shillong and Tura, Agriculture Development Officer of the concerned CNRD block.